Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because Android stores device and account metadata there. First, open Settings and use the search field. Typing phone number or About Phone jumps you straight to relevant screens. Once there, choose About Phone and then Status or SIM status to reveal the line assigned to that SIM. If nothing appears, make sure an active SIM is inserted, and then check Accounts, right arrow Google or your carrier app for the number tied to your account. Next, look in apps that read SIM or profile data. Open the phone app and go to its settings. Many OEM dialers show My Number at the top. Once done, visit Contacts and open the Me or My Info card because your profile often stores the number you've set. If the system still can't show it, remove the SIM and check the tiny printed number on the plastic card, or send an SMS to another device to view the sending number. Finally, confirm with your carrier. Sign into their app or website to see the assigned number and SIM activation status. You can also open WhatsApp or Telegram profile settings. These apps verify your number when registering. If you hit problems, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, and power cycle or reinsert the SIM to force detection. If the number still won't appear, contact your carrier because the issue may be provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.